talking about the zero power rule. Before we actually get into the zero power rule, we'll first start talking about what exponents are, and then we'll go into the zero power rule. So suppose we have this 3 to the power of 2, and you were told to simplify this. Okay? So when we simplify this is what we get, right? 1 times 3 times 3. So the reason we have a 1 here and then two threes is because we've got 1 times the base number, how many of it times the exponent is there. So that's why we have like 1 times 3 times 3 because right now this right here is a 3 to the power of 2. That's why we've got 1 times 2, 3 times 3 because they're two threes. Okay? So now we'll start going down and slowly we'll see. Now what if you had like 3 to the power of 1? Is equal to 1 times 3. Only 1 3 because there's only one number right here. Okay? So this will be equal to 3 and this will be equal to 9. Okay, so now what if you have like 3 to 0? Well, we're going to do the same thing as we did with the others, even though there's a 0 right there. We're going to have 1 right here times, well, 3. There's no 3 over here, right? So there's a 0 right here. That means we can't multiply by anything. So right here, there isn't going to be anything. So we can just like get rid of this. So this will be equal to a 1. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you ever get confused in zero power rules, it's pretty simple. Just go from about down. So what I mean by that is that just start thinking about like why 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9, or why 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 3, and you should pretty much be able to get it that way. So I'll give you a couple of questions and yeah, we'll go on from there. So, and remember, this rule, the zero power rule, everything I just showed you doesn't only apply for 3. It can apply for 2, it can apply for 5, it can apply for 6, any number. So here you go, just start solving them. And yes, I will be giving you more questions, not just zero power rules. And it'll be good if you actually do the whole formula. Go ahead and pause the video if you need more time to solve these questions, because I'm sure you do. Okay, so let's continue. 2 to the power of 2. I'm going to start the answers now, by the way. So this will be 1 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Okay? Now we've got 2 to the power of 0. So 1 times, well, nothing because there's a 0 right here. So this will be equal to 1. I hope you're getting it. Right here, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Huh. Okay, so we got 2 times 2 first. We're going to go slowly. Is equal to 4. Now 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Now 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Now one last time. 16 times 2 is equal to, just hoping you guys will answer somehow, I don't know, 2 and then 1 carry over 3, 32. So 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Yay. Okay, so next we've got 6 to the power of 0. Well, 1 times nothing, so it's equal to 1. 9 to the power of 0, 1 times nothing, so it's equal to 1. 5 to the power of 0, 1 times nothing, so it's equal to 1. So I hope you guys got that, and yeah. If you need any more help, just ask someone to give you some random numbers and fit a power of 0 there. So, it's pretty simple. Bye!